Hi. So in this video, I'm going to cover an interesting little feature that quite a few clients of ours request. Clients, they are admins of the application and they want to view the user perspective, the user's dashboard as if they were the user. Now, of course, in Bubble, it's a very lovely feature that they can just like as it run as a particular user, but it's not really, you don't want to give Bubble editor access to everyone. There can be other admins, other operations manager, and generally speaking, some of them are just very shy of the bubble editor anyways, despite copious amounts of training. So we make what we call a client switcher. Uh, this is just an example. So let's say we have let me just poke at the database a bit. We've got an option set, role, admin, user. We've got a user, it has a role. So just a simple admin user, two users in this kind of demo example. We've got in our admin dashboard, we've got a list of users and we've got this button view dashboard. And when an admin clicks view dashboard, they're like, you're logged in as an admin and viewing the dashboard for test.ascii.com back to admin dashboard. So how does this work? Before I go in, if you like this video, please do press the like button. It helps us a lot. But yeah, so uh, in the user dashboard, we just pass the type of content as user. Okay. And wherever we want to refer to the user, instead of using current user like we would normally do, we start using current page user. And it doesn't matter if it's dashboard, accounts, settings, anywhere, it just becomes current page user. Okay. Everything refers to current page user. And so when you want to switch from an admin, all you do is just pass the current cell user you want to view it for. Start dashboard, go to page dashboard, current cell user. So that opens that dashboard and you can configure the privacy rules correctly so that the admin sees everything and users see just their own data. You can configure special conditionals on the dashboard at the top for a header. This is just a warning for them. It's like you're logged in as X. Only make it visible for like if the current user role. So most of the rest of the page, it refers to current page user, current page user. Wherever there's workflow, anything, it all just refers to current page user. So overall, very appreciated feature. It also sometimes helps us uh, how to kind of like, okay, we're just quickly debugging different roles, different everything. So sometimes it helps us as well, with like using it. We just logged in as admin, do everything as admin, as other users, and poke around at everything. So one thing that this can disrupt, and I'll try and do this live, is let's say you have the actual dashboard and you run as a particular user. So run as current user ASCII-test.com. So one thing that breaks in this scenario that we have to then end up fixing is the actual, if you want to run as the user, it doesn't break as such. It's more a case of you have to add a special workflow so you don't see anything. The reason being we're not passing the unique ID of that particular user here. So if I have to run as, it would be tedious to always just end up doing this. Uh, Always end up doing this when you're previewing the application. I may have been running as someone else. So dashboard, current, yeah, current privacy ruler. Now I can see it. So it's tedious. So what you just need to end up doing is add a workflow. When page is loaded, uh, go to page and dashboard, current user, only when current page user is empty. Okay. So that kind of handles the run as problem, that it just self-corrects itself. Even if you load it that way, it just self-corrects itself. So other than that, very useful feature. If you guys have a different way of uh, making a client switcher or a different idea, do drop a message in the comments below. I'd really like and appreciate it. And please do subscribe to this channel. It takes quite a bit of time, effort, and energy to post this out and I'd really appreciate some commendation. Thanks. Bye.